Namaste. This is Dr Karishma Ahuja. Today, I want to take you through an important and powerful meditation that will help you overcome the effects and feelings of anger. As a lot of us are already aware, when we become angry, our nerves become weak and feeble. We begin to lose grip over ourselves. Even a moment of anger, it is said, takes away our strength that we gather by eating good food for months. Let us ensure that we don't start and end our day without practicing this beautiful meditation. When done daily, twice a day, it will help you start cleansing your own energy and vibrations, free from the evil effects of anger and restlessness. Let's begin. Let us sit straight with our back erect, eyes closed, arms uncrossed, palms on your lap facing upwards. Take all your attention inwards onto your own breathing. Let's try to breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale slowly. Hold your breath. Now slowly exhale and relax. Inhale slowly again. Hold your breath for a few seconds. Slowly exhale and relax. Continue breathing in this manner for the next few seconds until you hear my voice again. Conscious breathing that we are practicing now is helping our minds and bodies to relax, to let go of any unwanted tensions that may have accumulated due to our own thinking and actions. As we continue to be in the state of relaxation, mentally repeat with me the following words. I am peace. 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 Let us sit in silence for the next few seconds to simply feel the energy of these healing words, the energy and the vibration of peace to run through every part, cell of our bodies. Enjoy this beautiful healing presence of the energy of peace in your mind and body. Allow it to enter your aura by your conscious breathing. As you take your attention to your breathing, try to breathe slowly and deeply for the next few seconds. I am slowly going to count from 1 to 3. At the count of 3, you will rub your palms, gently place them on your eyes, and slowly open your eyes with a smile. 1. Coming out of this meditation slowly. 2. Carrying the healing presence of the energy of peace. 3. Rub your palms. Gently place them on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes with a smile on your face. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. There's lots more coming up on this channel. Do like and subscribe and stay updated. Here's wishing you all the very best. God bless you. Namaste.